Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by confirming the iPad is locked with activation lock on the setup screen. Note the device serial number or IMEI from settings or the device packaging. Visit Apple support and use their activation lock status guidance to confirm ownership requirements. Do not attempt third-party bypass tools or services that promise easy unlock solutions. Prepare the original receipt or invoice and record the Apple ID email if you can access it. This evidence will support legitimate removal requests later. If possible, contact the original owner directly and request their help removing activation lock. Ask them to sign in to iCloud. Or use Find My on another Apple device. They must choose Erase iPad, then select Remove from Account to clear activation lock remotely. Offer to guide them through the steps over a call or message to speed the process. If the seller is unresponsive or refuses, consider returning the iPad or disputing the purchase with your payment provider. Avoid third-party unlocking services or software. If the original owner cannot be reached, contact Apple support directly for assistance. Explain your situation and be ready to provide a valid proof of purchase showing the iPad serial number. Bring the original receipt and a government photo ID to an Apple store or an Apple-authorized service provider for in-person verification. Apple reviews documentation and will only remove activation lock when ownership is confirmed through paperwork. If you cannot provide acceptable proof, Apple cannot disable activation lock.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.